Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Mohammed here. Psychology, a term derived from the Greek words psyche and logos, is the scientific exploration of the mind and behavior. Let's take a moment to visualize it as an expansive tree with numerous branches, each representing a different aspect of psychology. We have developmental psychology, cognitive psychology, clinical psychology, and social psychology, among others. Each branch provides a unique perspective on the human experience. Developmental psychology examines how we grow and change over time, from infancy to old age. Next, cognitive psychology. This branch dives into the workings of the human mind, exploring processes like memory, perception, and learning. Then there's clinical psychology, often what people first think of when they hear psychology. This branch focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of mental disorders, like relationships of couples, families, and groups. And lastly, we have social psychology. This branch explores how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by the presence of others. It helps us understand the power of social influences and how we interact within groups. So, psychology isn't just about therapy and mental illness, it's about understanding human behavior and thought processes, which makes it an integral part of our daily lives. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of physiology. So what is it exactly? At its core, physiology is the biological science that studies how cells, tissues, and organisms function. Physiology is like the backstage crew of a theater production. It's responsible for all the behind-the-scenes work that makes the show possible. It's the beating of your heart, the inhale and exhale of your lungs, the processing of the food you ate for breakfast, and neurons works that let you understand these words right now. It's a vast field with many branches, each focusing on a specific area of the body. For instance, cardiovascular physiology deals with the heart and blood vessels, studying how they work together to circulate blood and deliver vital oxygen and nutrients to every cell in our bodies. Next, we have respiratory physiology, which explores how we breathe. It's all about the lungs and how they exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with our blood, a process that's absolutely vital for our survival. Renal physiology, on the other hand, investigates the kidneys and how they filter out waste from our blood, regulate our body's fluid levels, and maintain the delicate balance of salts and minerals in our bodies. Then there's neurophysiology, the study of the nervous system. This branch delves into how our neurons or nerve cells communicate with each other. These are just a handful of examples, but they illustrate the vast scope of physiology. This field is not just about understanding the human body on a microscopic level, but also about appreciating how these tiny mechanisms come together to create the grand orchestra that is the human body. Physiology affects every aspect of our daily lives. When you savor your morning coffee, that's your gustatory system, a part of sensory physiology at work. The way your muscles contract when you hit the gym, that's the realm of muscle physiology. Even the way your body responds to a stressful situation, with your heart rate increasing and your palms sweating, can be attributed to the study of physiology. In essence, physiology is the science that helps us understand how life works. Next, welcome to the world of endocrinology. Let's start with the basics. Endocrinology is the study of the endocrine system and the hormones it produces. But what exactly is the endocrine system? Picture it as a vast, intricate network of glands. These glands are like the post offices of your body, producing and sending out hormones, which are essentially chemical messages. These messages are like letters delivered to various parts of the body to regulate functions and maintain a sense of balance. Now, you might be wondering, what kind of messages are these hormones delivering? Well, they're incredibly diverse, everything from your metabolism and growth to your mood and reproductive cycle. It's like they're the conductors of an orchestra, guiding each instrument, or in this case body function, to play in perfect harmony. Let's know some of them. Examples are thyroid gland, adrenal glands. Actually, they are just glands. So when you look hormones, there is 50 hormones in your body. They regulate your growth, your metabolism, your mood, your sleep, your stress response, and so much more. It's remarkable, isn't it? This intricate system working tirelessly round the clock to keep you functioning at your best. So, the next time you find yourself responding to a stressful situation, or feeling a surge of energy, or even just falling asleep at the end of the day, remember, it's your endocrine system, your body's own internal postal service, working behind the scenes to keep everything in harmony. Orthopedics, derived from the Greek words ortho, meaning straight, and paideia, meaning raising children. This area, dedicated to the care of the musculoskeletal system, which includes our bones, joints, ligaments, tendons, and muscles. This field is of paramount importance as our musculoskeletal system is the very framework that supports our body and allows us to move. The purpose of orthopedics is to diagnose, correct, prevent, and treat skeletal deformities. This is achieved through various methods, including surgery, medication, exercise, and in certain cases, rehabilitation techniques like physiotherapy. Orthopedics doesn't just fix our bones and joints, it restores our ability to participate in daily activities, to engage in physical work, sports, or simply to walk without pain. It allows us to retain our quality of life. Each orthopedic intervention, whether it's a minor treatment or a major surgery, is a step towards ensuring that we can live our lives to the fullest, unrestricted by physical limitations. Orthopedics, thus, is the guardian of our skeletal system, helping us stay upright and mobile,